In the sentence, identify the segment which contains the grammatical error. My father always prefers sleeping in a relaxed atmosphere than one full of tension and anxiety. Option 1, sleeping in a relaxed. Option 2, of tension and anxiety. Option 3, my father always prefers. And option 4, atmosphere than one full. The correct answer is option 4, atmosphere than one full. The error the error line this segment of the statement because of the wrong use of adjective. We need to replace then with to for making the statement grammatically correct. Grammatically concept when used of state of preference for one things over another. The web prefer for usually followed by the professional to prefer one to the other. The closing option contains the error, hence it will be the correct choice. Correct sentence: my father always prefer sleeping in a relaxed atmosphere to one full of tension and anxiety. In the sentence, identify the segment which contains the grammatical error. Although a tree is common and familiar to all of us, how a tree grows, function, and its unique biology are not so familiar. Option 1, familiar to all of us, how a option 2, its unique biology are not so familiar. Option 3, tree grows, functions, and option 4, although a tree is common end. The correct answer is its unique biology are not so familiar. The error lays on option 2 because of the wrong use of subject verb agreement. We need to replace are with is for making the statement grammatically correct. Grammatically concept, subject and verb must agree with one another. One another is number, singular and plural. Thus, if a subject singular is verb must also be singular. If a subject of plural is verb must also be plural. The subject of the given verb of biology which is singular, hence we need to use a singular verb here. The closing option contains the error, hence it will be the correct choice. Correct sentence: although to tree is common and familiar to all of us, how a tree grows function and its unique biology is not so familiar. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute, is if select no improvement. Trees grows taller when new cells are produced at the tips of twigs, causing the twigs to grow longer. Option 1, trees grow tall. Option 2, no improvement. Option 3, trees grow taller. And option 4, trees grow tallest. And correct answer is option 3, trees grow taller. Trees grow taller because subject and verb must agree with one another is number, singular or plural. This if a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. If a subject is plural, its verb must also be plural. The subject of the given statement is trees. which a plural, hence we need to use a plural verb here. The choose option follow the given rules, hence it will improve the statement correctly sentence trees grow taller when you sales and produce at the tips of twigs, causing the twigs to grow longer. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, select no improvement. And FIR has been logged against a private hospital for operating the facility without a proper license and charge the patient exorbitantly. Option 1, charging the patient exorbitantly. Option 2, no improvement. Option 3, charging the patient exorbitant. Option 4, charge the patient exorbitant. The correct answer is option 1, charging the patient exorbitantly. For operating and charging will be the correct phrase because of the rule of parallelism, and operating is a verb, we need to use the adverb exorbitantly after it. The choose option follow the given rules, hence it will improve the statement correctly. Correct sentence. And फिर FIR has been logged against private hospital for operating the facility without a proper license and charging the patient exorbitantly. Identify the best way to improve the underlined part of the given sentence. If there is no improvement required, select no improvement. But if you persist in asking me not to conspire against you, I will constantly conspire against you. Option 1. But if you persist at option 2, but if you persist for option 3, but if you persist with option 4, no improvement. The correct answer is option 4, no improvement, because the personation in a use after the word persist, because it persists is an instinctive verb in probably sound more natural, because that word we would normally use with the interactive word. Hence, there is no improvement in the given sentence. The correct sentence will be, but if you persist asking me not to conspire against you, I will constantly conspire against you. Hence, the correct answer is option 4, no improvement. Select the correct passive form of the given sentence. The police officer will either take you prisoner or shoot you. Option 1, you will either to taking Option 1, you will either be taken prisoner or shoot by the police officer. Option 2, you will either be taken prisoner or shoot by the police officer. Option 3, you will either by taking prisoner or shoot by the police officer. And option 4, you will either have been taken prisoner or shot by the police officer. The correct answer is option 1. You will either be taken prisoner or shoot by the police officer. Active voice subject plus modal verb plus verb first form plus object plus other words. Passive voice object plus modal verb plus be plus verb third form plus by plus subject plus other words. Has been choose option follow this structure is will be correct answer. Select the correct indirect form of the given sentence. Raju said to his mother, I saw a tiger in the forest. Option 1. Raju told to his mother that he had seen a tiger in the forest. Option 2. Raju told his mother, then we have seen a tiger in the forest. Option 3. Raju told his mother that he had seen a tiger in the forest. And option 4. Raju told his mother that I had seen a tiger in the forest. The correct answer is option 3. Raju told his mother that he had seen a tiger in the forest. As the reported speech is an assertive sentence, we need a make change. According to this, there will be a change in the reporting verb and I will be change into told. That will be used in the place of the inverted comma. The tense of the reported verb will be changed into past perfect tense. I will be changed in for he. As all the rules are following by the choose option, it will be correct. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Option 1 velocity, option 2 variability, option 3 vegetarian, and option 4 acidos. The correct answer is option 3 vegetarian. Let's have a look at the meaning of given option. Velocity, the speed at which something moves in a particular direction. Variability, the quality of fact of being variable. Vegetarian, a person who meat does not eat meat or fish. Acidos, working very hard and taking great care that everything is done as well as it can be, and the choose option is incorrectly spelled. It will be the correct answer. The sentence given below has one misspelled word. Spot the incorrectly spelled word and select its correct spelling. Some diseases are due to neurological disorder, disorders. Option 1 neurological, option 2 neurological, option 3 neurological, option 4 neurological. The correct answer is option 2 neurological, neurological, neurological. Incorrect spelling neurological. The correct spelling of the word relating of the nervous system in neurological. Correct spelling neurological. This is the accurate and standard spelling of the word. Indicated issue or disorders related to the nervous system. So that correct sentence should read some diseases and due to neurological disorders with the proper spelling is neurological, neurological. It's neurological. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word concept. Option 1 drafty, option 2 draw, option 3 encircle, option 4 subscribe. The correct answer is option 1 drafty. Let's have a look at the meaning of the given option. Number 1 concept, to make somebody join the army, navy or air force. And number 2 drafty, a person concepted of military service. Draw, option 3 draw, to do a picture, a diagram of something with a pencil, pen, etc. but not paint. Option 4 encircle, to make a circle round something, a surround. Subscribe, to pay for the newspaper, for magazine to be sent to your regularly. And the choose option expresses is the best meaning of the given word. It will be correct. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word palette. Option 1 friendly, option 2 pale, option 3 worthless, and option 4 comforting. The correct answer is option 2 pale. Let's have a look of meaning of the given option polite. Use about a person or his or her face light in color, especially because of lines. Friendly, behaving a kind and open way. Pale, use about a person on his or her face having skin that light in color, often because of fear or illness. Worthless, having no value of use. Comforting, to try to make somebody feel less worried or unhappy. As the choose option expresses the best meaning of the given word, it will be correct. Select the most appropriate synonym of the word given in the brackets to fill in the blank. The increasing population of a country can be a blank appreciation for the development of a country. Option 1 boom, option 2 bane, option 3 boon, option 4 brittleness. The correct answer is option 2 bane. The word appreciation refers to something that causes pain, suffering, or distress. The word pain is that most suitable synonym because it means a cause of great distress or annoyance. Select the most appropriate synonym of the capitalized word in the given sentence. Isabel listened with extreme respect to this admonition. Number one, insult. Number two, prayer. Number three, counsel. Number four, counsel. The correct answer is number four, counsel. A domination, a warning or an advice given to someone to correct their behavior. Insult, a, disrespect, a, a disrespectful remark or action intended to offend someone. Prayer, a solemn request for expression of thanks addressed to the deity or a spectacle being. Council, a group of people convent for conciliation, advice, or decision making. Counsel, advice, guidance, or recommendation given by someone is a professional of legal context. Hence, the most appropriate synonym of admonition is counsel. Select the most appropriate synonym of the underlined word. There was palpable tension in the negotiation room. Option 1, indistinguishable. Option 2, impracticable. Option 3, insatiable. Option 4, detectable. The correct answer is option 4, detectable. Indistinguishable, the means not capable of being recognized. Impracticable, the means not practicable or not able to be perceived. In insensible is means without feeling or not easily perceived. Detectable, this the most appropriate synonym as it means capable of being detected or perceived or conveys the idea that tension is not capable of felt. Select the most appropriate antonym of the underlined word in the given sentence. God has clearly based human being for his glory. Option 1, appointed. Option 2, produced. Option 3, applied. Option 4, corset. The correct answer is option 4, corset. Base made wholly of contractable enjoy happiness for good future, forward and fortunate. Corset, the opposite of base deserving or being, a course expressing anger, disapproval or disappointment. Option 3, appointing. Choose or select is for the specific job, position, or duty, stabilize or arrange to authority of agreement. Produced, both in two extremes, created or manufactured mode, a, a cause to happen. Applied, put into operation to use practical to relevant to the specific situation used with reference to a skill of knowledge. Thus, the most appropriate antonym for the given word of cursed. Select the most appropriate antonym of the underlined word. He cardinally failed to console the new king. Option 1, gratify. Option 2, agitate. Option 3, coordinate. Option 4, satiate. The correct answer is option 2, agitate. The meaning of the given word is console, comfort someone at a time of grief and disappointment. Gratify, giving someone pleasure or satisfaction. Or agitate, make someone trouble or nervous. Coordinate, being the different element of a complex activity or organization into a harmonious or efficient relationship. And satiate, another term for sate. The most appropriate antonym for underlined word it word is agitate. Select the most appropriate meaning of the underlined idiom that can be substituted into following sentence. He was murdered in cold blood. Option 1, in cold weather. Option 2, deliberately. Option 3, when blood was cold. Option 4, regretful. Regretfully. The correct answer is option 2, deliberately. The meaning of the underlined idiom in cold blood is without feeling of mercy, ruthlessly, thus the most appropriate choice among a given option of deliberately. Deliberately. Select the most appropriate meaning of the underlined idiom in the given sentence. You better get up your loins as we are going to meet my family. Option 1, to earn money, to earn more money. Option 2, to look smart and charming. Option 3, to prepare oneself for a difficult situation. Option 4, to ask for someone help. The correct answer is to prepare oneself for a difficult situation. It a given sentence of idiom good. Up your loins means to prepare oneself for a difficult task or situation. The phrase originates from the Bible, where it is used to describe and fact the tying up long ropes or garments in preparation of work for work or travel. The modern usage, the idiom used figuratively, the means getting ready for a challenging and demanding situation. In this, the concept of speaker is telling the listener to prepare themselves mentally and emotionally for meeting the speaker family, which may be a difficult or stressful situation. Peaceful, the meaning of idiom gird up your loins, the given sentence of prepare oneself of the challenging of demanding situation. select the word which means the same as the group of word given mixture of metals, especially when an inferior metal or is mixed with one of richer value. Option 1 gem, option 2 alloy, option 3 compound, option 4 alluvium. The correct answer is option 2 alloy. Let's have a look at the meaning of the given option. Gem, a jewel or precious stone. Alloy, a metal made by mixing two types of metal together. Option 3 compound, something that consists of two or more things or substances combined together. Alluvium, in geography, sand and earth data left by river or floods. As the choose option expresses the meaning of the given group of words, it will be correct answer. Which of the following pass separates Guru Sikhar from Mount Abu in Rajasthan? Option 1 Haldi Pass, option 2 Goran Ghat, option 3 Bhur Ghat, option 4 Amboli Ghat. The correct answer is option 4 Amboli Ghat. Situation. The correct answer option 2 Angoli Ghat passes Bhur state, Maharashtra, connect Mumbai to Pune. Palghat, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Kochi to Chennai. Thalghat, Maharashtra state, Maharashtra, connect Nasik to Mumbai. Goran Ghat state, Rajasthan, connect Guru option 2 Pancrase. Listing is list of Longren's of fund of pancreas. The pancreas is an endocrine gland. It is a vital part of the human body and responsibility for regulating blood sugar level. List of Longren's of part of the pancreas. The secret humans such as glucin and glucagon into the blood is consist of three types of cells. Alpha cell produce glucagon, beta cells produce insulin and amylin, delta cell produce somatostatin. Nuclear reactors used to produce electricity are based on option 1 nuclear fusion, option 2 nuclear fission, option 3 cold fusion, option 4 superconductivity. Conductivity. The correct answer is option 2 nuclear fission. A nuclear react is a driven by the split of atoms. A process known as fission where a particular or neutron is fired on an atom, which then fission into the smaller atoms and the educational neutrons. In order to ensure that the nuclear reaction takes place at the right speed, reactor have system that accelerate, slow, or shut down the nuclear reaction and the heat of produce. Nuclear fusion can be controlled by use routes mode of boron. Borobudur Temple is a 9th century Buddhist temple located in option 1 Indonesia, option 2 Cambodia, option 3 Malaysia, and option 4 Myanmar. The correct answer is option 1 Indonesia. Borobudur Temple is a 9th century Buddhist temple located in Indonesia. The temple is located in the Keduvili of Central Java. It was built the 8th and 9th century and during the reign of the Sailendra dynasty. The temple was recommended and restored with the help of UNESCO, and after the retraction, UNESCO listing of the World Heritage Site in 1991. The Armed Forces Veterans Day is celebrated every year on 14 January to recognize service of rendered to the nation. Option 1 Kargil Miters, option 2 Field Marshal K.M. Chariappa, option 3 Field Marshal Sam Manisho, option 4 CDS Bipin Rawat. The correct answer is option 2 Field Marshal K.M. Chariappa. The 8th Armed Forces Veterans Day was the celebration of India on January 14, 2024. The days are celebrated every year since 2016 on 14 January to recognize service rendered by First Commander of Chief Armed Forces Field Marshal K.M. Chariappa. Modern Sagar Samvad magazine was also released by the Directorate of Ex-Servicemen Affairs of Indian Navy, who presented the Indian women in the second round table conference of 1931. Number 1 Aruna Asaf Ali, number 2 Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, number 3 Anni Besant, and option 4 Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is option 4 Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu represented the Indian women in the second round table conference of 1931. The British government against three round table conference from 1930 to 1932 to discuss constitutional reform in India. First Roundtable Conference. The conference was held in November 1930. Second Roundtable Conference was held in September 1931 and the Gandhi Irwin Pact's opening The way of Congress participation in this conference. The third round table conference was held in November 1932, which among the following state has created the maximum number of Ayushman card under the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana? Option 1 Assam and option 2 Uttar Pradesh, option 3 Madhya Pradesh and option 4 Maharashtra. Correct answer is option 2 Uttar Pradesh. A new milestone was achieved by Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana up PMJ by crossing the milestone of issue 30 crore Ayushman card. The scheme aims to provide secondary and tertiary and hospitalization facilities to 12 crore beneficiaries by providing health cover of 5 lakh per family per year. Uttar Pradesh issue the highest number of Ayushman card, approximately 4.8 crore, which of the following gases in insert gas? Argon, oxygen, option 3 hydrogen, option 4 nitrogen. The correct answer is option 1 argon. Whom did Ashoka send to promote Buddhism in Sri Lanka? Number 1 Mahendra, number 2 Sangamitra, option 3 1 and 2 both, and option 4 Maharakshit. Maharakshit. The correct answer is option 3 1 and 2 both. To spread Buddhism, Ashoka sent his own Mahendra and daughter Sangamitra to Sri Lanka to propagate Buddhism. Ashoka, the greatest patron of Buddhism, called of Third Buddhist Council. He also completed Abhidhamma Pitaka. Which article of Indian Constitution enforces fundamental right of citizen thought issue rights? Option 1 Article 32, option 3 Article 23, option 3 Article 21 and option 4 Article 23. The correct answer is option 1 32. Article 32 of Indian Constitution enforces fundamental right of citizen thought issuing right. Article 20 of Indian Constitution states that no person accused of an offence shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Article 21 of Indian Constitution states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to a procedure established by law. Article 23 of Indian Constitution explicitly explicitly prohibits and criminalizes human trafficking and forced labor, which is the most following measure is correct about controlling inflation. Option 1 investment, option 2 monetary, option 3 fiscal, option 4 none of the above. The correct answer is option 2 monetary. Monetary measure credit control, demonstration of currency and issue of the new currency in the place of the old currency. Fiscal measure reduction and unnecessary expenditure, increase of tax, increase a saving, circular budget and public debt. Other measures are increased production, national wage, policy price control, retaining. National Youth Day is celebrated to mark the birthday of which of the following famous personality? Option 1 Dhyan Chand, option 2 Bhagat Singh, option 3 Swami Vivekanand, option 4 Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is option 3 Swami Vivekanand. National Day National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January on the birthday of Swami Vivekanand. Delay in blood clotting is due to the deficiency of option 1 vitamin B12, option 2 vitamin K, option 3 vitamin A, option 4 vitamin D. The correct answer is option 2 vitamin K. A delay in blood clotting is due to the deficiency of vitamin K. Name the recently launched and supported telemedicine mobile clinic for the remote areas of Udhampur district. Option 1 Arogya, option 2 Medicos, option 3 Acharya, option 4 Vihar. The correct answer is option 1 Arogya. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh recently launched at the supported telemedicine mobile clinic Arogya Doctors on Wheels for the remote areas of Udhampur district. The teleclinic are artificially driven to provide healthcare facility in the remotest areas of Udhampur district. The project will be launched in four phases connecting areas of Gondo district, Zero Line village of international border, upper reach of Dilawar and Dudh Basantgarh region. What is the formula of GDP at market price? Option 1 value of output in an economy in the particular year, depreciation. Option 2 value of output it in an economy in the particular year, intermediate constitution at factor cost. Option 3 value of output in an economy in the particular year, net indirect taxes. Option 4, value of output in an economy in the particular year plus net factor income from abroad. abroad. The correct answer is option 2, value of output in an economy in the particular year, intermediate constitution at factor cost. GDP at market price aims to measure the wealth created the resident in a territory during a given period. It represents the end result of the introducing activity of the resident producing units. It can be recorded by three-way production approach, income approach, and expenditure approach. Which of the following folk dance is not correctly matched? Fugdi, Madhya Pradesh, option 1, and option 2, Gidda, Punjab, option 3, Jat Jatin, Bihar, option 4, Kalbelia, Rajasthan. The correct answer is Fugdi, option 1, Madhya Pradesh. Fugdi is the folk dance of Maharashtra and Goa. Which of the following rights have the meaning of command? Option 1, habeas corpus, option 2, quo warranto, option 3, certiorari, option 4, mandamus. The correct answer is option 4, mandamus. Article 32 and Article 226 of the Indian Constitution deal with the rights. Which of the following statements is not true? Option 1, bacteria present in the mouth produce acids by degradation of sugar and food particle remaining in the mouth. Option 2, when pH of the mouth is higher than 5.5 then tooth decay start. Option 3, tooth enamel made of calcium phosphate in the hardest substance in the body. Option 4, using toothpaste which are generally basic help neutralize the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. The correct answer is option 2. When pH of the mouth is higher than 5.5 then tooth decay start. When there is exercise acid excessive acid in the tooth of decoy start. More acid means less pH. So when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5 then tooth decay start. Bacteria present in the mouth produce acid by the degradation of sugar and food particle then remain in the mouth after eating. The acid produced in the mouth attack the enamel. The First Anglo-Sikh War was fought during which year? Option 1, 1817 to 1818. Option 2, 1845 to 1846. Option 3, 1846 to 1847. And option 4, 1848 to 1849. The correct answer is option 2, 1845 to 1846. The first Anglo-Sikh war took place around the Firozpur district of Punjab in 1845 to 1846 between the Sikh Empire and the British East India Company. Of primary cause of the war was the imperialist and expansionist policy followed by the English after the death of Ranjit Singh. The British East India Company defeated the particularly subjected the Sikh Empire. Jammu and Kashmir were captured and made into a separate princely state with British rule. Which among the following cities has been designated the title of Cleanest Cities of 2023 in the Swachh Sarvekshan Award 2023? Option 1 Surat and option 2 Lucknow, option 3 Varanasi, option 4 Kochi. The correct answer is option 1 Surat. The Swachh Sarvekshan Award 2023 were declared by the Government of India on January 12, 2024. The award for the title of Cleanest City of 2023 was given to Indore and Surat by the President of India, SMT Drupadi Murmu, which wood is used for making a cricket bat. Option 1 oak wood, option 2 bamboo, option 3 maple wood, option 4 willow wood. The correct answer is option 4 willow wood. Willow wood is used for making a cricket bat. Maple wood is used for making a musical instrument. Oak wood is used for making a homeware such as furniture, flooring, wine barrel, and firewood. Bamboo is using for making paper, full charcoal, etc. In which state of India is the Nuakhai festival celebrated? Option 1 Bihar, option 2 Assam, option 3 Odisha, option 4 Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option 3 Odisha. Nukai is a Sambalpuri festival that is highly popular in western Odisha, densely populated with the tribal people whose main occupation is agriculture. The literal meaning of Naukal is Nua means new, Khai means eating. The new having crops and worshipped, and people celebrate it by eating the first rice of the having together with their families. Nukai Johar is sharing gift with you, dear ones, wishing them on the association, the coming together as a family or symbolize unity. The objective of this festival is to celebrate social bonding and accolade family ties, giving learning to the current generation about the relevance of agriculture and the role of farmer in the development of the country. This day is celebrated by the farmer a day after observing Ganesh Chaturthi. Niccolo de Conti, who visited India during the reign of Devaraya of Vijayanagar, was from which country? Option 1 France, Option 2 Italy, option 3 Portugal, option 4 Britain. The correct answer is option 2 Italy. Niccolo di Conti was an Indian merchant and explorer and a writer who visited India during the reign of Deva Raja of Vijayanagar. The Vijayanagar kingdom was founded by Hari Harirahara and I Bukkuraya of the Sangama Dasatya. Hampi was the capital of the Vijayanagar kingdom. Krishnadeva Raya of the Taluva dynasty was the greatest ruler of the Vijayanagar kingdom. One of India's great scholar, Tinel Ramakrishna, lived during the reign of King Krishna Deva Raya. A group of workers can complete a job in 132 days if there were 4 more such workers, then the work could be finished in 12 days less. What was the actual strength of workers? Option 1 40, option 2 48, option 3 32, and option 4 28. The correct answer is option 1 40. Let's initial strength of worker be m according to question. M into 132 equals to m plus 4 into 132 minus 12 equals m into 132 equals to m plus 4 into 120 equals to 11m equals to 10m plus 40 equals to 40m. The actual strength of worker is 40. If the ready to two circle are 5 oblique 3 and 11 oblique 3, तो इस पे हम तीसरे वाले है 5. If the radii of two circles are 5, 3 and 11 oblique 3 respectively and the distance between the center of their circle is 48 oblique 3, find the number of common tangents that can be drawn to this circle. Option 1 known, option 1 1, option 2 1, option 3 3, and option 4 4. The correct answer is option 3 is 3. The speed of Rahul is 60 kilometer per horse and takes a 5 horse to complete a certain distance. If the speed of Rohit is 75 kilometer per hour, find the time taken by him to complete the sum distance. Option 1 3 horse, option 2 3 horse 30 minutes, option 3 4 horse, and option 4 2 horse. The correct answer is option 3 4 horse. A and B can individually complete a given task in 18 and 30 hours respectively. If A and B start working together and after 10 hours, B leaves in how many hours will a complete the remaining task? Option 1 1.5 hours, and option 2 1 horse, option 3 3.5 hours, option 4 2 hours. The correct answer is option 4 2 hours. A broker lent a sum at 10% on simple interest for 1 year and he got rupees 1800, rupees 2800 as interest. If he lent some same sum and at the same rate, no compound interest, compounded half yearly for a year, how much interest he got more than the previous transaction? Option 1 700, option 2 70 rupees, option 3 7 rupees, and option 4 0.7. The correct answer is option 2 70 rupees. In what ratio must a grocer mix ghee at rupees 500 kilogram with vegetable oil at the rupees 120 kilogram so that on selling the mixture at the 360 kilogram there is a profit of 20%? Option 1 1 divided by 2, and option 2 9 divided by 10, and option 3 5 divided by 9, option 4 12 divided by 7. The correct answer is option 2 9 divided by 10. Selling price of the mixture rupees 360 and profit 20%. The cost price of the mixture 360 into 100, 100 plus 20 equals to 360 into 100, 120 equals to 300. Less the ratio of ghee and vegetable oil is X, Y in which they are mixed. The total cost price of ghee 1500 into, and the total cost of vegetable oil 120, Y. The total amount of mixture X plus Y. The total cost price of the mixture 300 X plus Y. So 1500 into plus 120 Y plus 300 X plus Y, 200 into equals to 180 Y, X oblique Y equals to 180 oblique 200 equals to 9 oblique 10. So the ratio of ghee and vegetable oil in which they should be mixed into 9 oblique 10. A dishonest shopkeeper sells the mangoes X% above the cost price but use 980 grams weight instead of 1 kg. If the earns 70% profit by selling the mangoes, then find the value of X. Option 1 16.66, option 2 15.5, option 3 14, and option 4 14.66. The correct answer is option 2 14.66. A four-digit number in the form of above in completely divisible by 2 and 7. Find is the value of a into b if the number lies between 4,000 and 5,000. The option 1 12, option 2 14, option 3 16, and option 4 8. The correct answer is option 4 8. Divisible by 2 equals unit place must be 0, comma 2, comma 4, comma 6 and 8. So oil number between 4,000 and 5,000 which can satisfy condition equals to 4040, comma 4242, comma 4444, comma 4646, and 4848. There is only one number that divisible by 7, EI 4242. So A equals to 4 and B equals to 2. Hence A into B equals to 8. Two sides of a rectangle increased by 20% and 30%, then what is the change in the total area of the rectangle? Option 1 50%, option 2 60%, option 3 56%, and option 4 44%. The correct answer is option 3 56%. Let the initial length and breadth of the rectangle be 1 centimeter. New change length. The breadth be 1.2 centimeter and 1.3 centimeter equals to new area equals to 1.2 into 1.3 equals to 1.56 equals to 56. Change in the area. Find the number of sugar cubes each with 5 centimeter then can be formed from a large sugar ball with radius 10.5 mm. Option 1 3880 8000. Option 2 3760000. Option 3 3894000, and option 4 3698000. The correct answer is option 1 3880800. A metro train traveling at 50 km/h crosses another metro train traveling in the same direction at 35 km/h in 30 seconds. What is the combined length of both metro trains? Option 1, 150 meter. Option 2, 145 meter. Option 3, 130 meter. And option 4, 125 meter. The correct answer is option 4, 125 meter. In a Chatian code language, playground are written by 7 and perfectively are written by as 8. How will strawberry are written in that language? Option 1 6, option 2 8, option 3 4, option 5, option 4 5. The correct answer is option 1 6. The logic used here is number of letter, number of vowels, playground equals to 10 minus 3 equals to 7 respectively, equals to 12 minus 4 equals to 8, raspberry 9 minus 3 equals to 6, raspberry will be written by 6, hence the contents answer is 6. Correct is the correct answer is 6. If mango is coded a PDQJR, then how will cherry be coded? FKHHUK, option 1, option 2 FKHHUK, option 3 FKHUUB, option 4 FKHHAW. The correct answer is option 3 FKHUUB. In the decoding question, each letter in the original word is replaced with the letter then three position ahead in the English alphabet. Palak is the daughter of Gargi and the sister of Bhuvan, who is the son of Lavina. Gargi is who is the son of Lavina. Gargi is the sister of Monu, who is the female. Riya is daughter of Palak and Jain. How many male members are there in the family? 1, option 1 2, option 2 3, option 3 4, option 4 5. The correct answer is option 3 4. Palak is the daughter of Gargi and the sister of Bhuvan, who is the son of Lavina. So Palak is the daughter of Gargi and Lavina. Also Bhuvan is the brother of Palak. Pargi is the sister of Monu, who is not female. So Gargi is the wife of Lavina and Monu is the brother of Gargi. Riya is the daughter of the Palak and Jain. Jain is the husband of Palak. The family tree is as follows. Hence, the correct answer is 4. Three of the following four words are alike in a certain manner, and one is different. Select the odd word. Option 1, Proposhare. Option 2, Mesosphere. Option 3, Stratosphere. Option 4, Stratopause. The correct answer is option 4, Stratopause. Except the Stratopause, all other are layers of the atmosphere. Stratopause on the interface between the stratosphere and the inner ionosphere. Hence, the incorrect answer is Stratopause. Four number pairs have been given, out of which three are alike in a certain way and one is different. Choose a different number pair. Option 1 42 divided by 18. Option 2 53 divided by 2 7. Option 3 51 divided by 29. Option 4 66 divided by 38. The correct answer is option 4 66 divided by 38. The bottom followed here is the first digit of multiplied by its next digit and the second digit is subtract from the resultant. Select the term that will come next in the following series: 147, 199, 259, 327, comma. The correct answer is option 3 403. Option 1 405, option 2 306, option 3 303, 403, option 4 303. The correct answer is option 3 403. Which of the following letter cluster will replace the question mark in the given series to make it logically complete? F X M, comma A S H, comma V N C, comma Q I Z. Option 1 LDS, option 2 LKS, option 3 LMS, option 4 LDH. The correct answer is option 1 LDS. Given series FXM ASH VNCQIZ. The logic used here is, hence is the correct answer LDS. There is a relationship between the given two words. Identify the correct pair of words that has a similar relationship as the given pair of words and mark the correct choice. Water, coconut. Option 1 water, pond. Option 2 water and cylinder. Option 3 water, air. And option 4 water, pool. The correct answer is option 1 water pond. The coconut has water inside it. A similar relationship can be seen between the water and the pond. To pond, no other relationship can be avoided from the other mentorate option. Hence is correct answer water pond. Select the option that is related to the fifth term in the same way as the second term is related to the first term and the fourth term is related to the third term. ICE, comma ECIBGRE, comma PACIFIC, comma CAPICIF, comma vacancy. Option 1 CAVYRCN, option 2 CAVAYCN, option 3 CAVAYNC, option 4 CAAYVYCAN. The correct answer is option 2 CAVAYCN. The logic used here is first and third letter, fifth and seventh letter of the first term are interchanged with each other the second term. Hence the correct answer is CAVAYCN. Select the set in which the number are related in the same way as the number of the following set. 26 comma 15 comma 48, 36 comma 25 comma 63. Option 1 46 comma 65 comma 110. Option 2 46 comma 85 comma 110, and option 3 48 comma 65 comma 110. Option 4 76 comma 65 comma 110. The correct answer is option 1 46 comma 65 comma 110. The logic used here, hence the correct answer is 4665110. Select the option that is related to the fifth letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster, and the fourth letter cluster is related to the third letter cluster. DB6 FZ9 SN1 UN1 PC4. Option 1 RY7, option 3 DR3, option 3 SE3, option 4 CG6. The correct answer is option 1 RY7. The logic used here, RY7 is the correct answer. Select the option that is related to the third term in the same way as the second term is related to the first term and the sixth term is related to the fifth term. 28 10546 question mark 64 and 249. Option 1 167, option 2 177, option 3 168, option 4 154. The correct answer is option 2 177. The logic used here is, the correct answer is 177. Select the option that is related to the fifth number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number, and the fourth number is related to the third number. 476 593 543 660 and 268. Option 1 285, option 2 375, option 3 386, and option 4 385. The correct answer is option 4 385. 476 593 453 660 and 6268. The logic used here is 476 plus 117 equals to 593. 543 plus 117 equals to 660. So 268 plus 117 equals to 385. Hence the correct answer is 385. Select the correct combination of mathematical sign that can sequentially, sequentially replace the at the rate sign and balance the given equation. 23 at the rate 8 at the rate 4 at the rate 24 at the rate 3 equals to 68. Option 1 plus into minus divided. Option 2 plus divided into minus. Option 3 minus plus into divided. Option 4 plus minus into divided. The correct answer is option 2 plus divided into minus. On the replacing with at the rate with the mathematical operator, we have option 1